Revamp your home with AI-inspired interior design. Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is all about using the latest technology to create your dream home. AI-inspired interior design. Whether you're a seasoned design enthusiast or a complete newbie, AI tools can be a powerful asset. They can help you unlock new ideas, overcome creative roadblocks, and ultimately create a space that reflects your style and functionality needs. So, let's dive into the world of AI interior design. What is AI interior design? Imagine having a personal design consultant readily available 24/7. That's the magic of AI interior design. These tools use artificial intelligence to analyze your space, preferences, and budget. Based on this information, they generate design ideas, suggest furniture layouts, and even create photorealistic renderings of your reimagined room. How does it work? The specific functionalities of AI design platforms can vary, but here's a general idea of the process. 1. Space input. Upload a picture of the room you want to revamp. Some platforms even allow 3D scans for an even more detailed analysis. 2. AI analysis. The AI engine goes to work, analyzing the room's dimensions, existing furniture, and your style preferences. 3. Design generation. The platform presents you with multiple design options, including furniture layouts, color palettes, and decor suggestions. For customization power, this is where it gets fun. You can typically swap furniture pieces, adjust layouts, and experiment with different color schemes to see how your space transforms in real time. Benefits of AI interior design. So, why should you consider incorporating AI into your interior design journey? Here are some compelling reasons. Breakthrough inspiration. Feeling stuck in a design rut? AI throws a bunch of fresh ideas your way, helping you discover styles you might not have considered before. It can introduce you to new trends and unexpected combinations that spark your creativity. Virtual try before you buy. No more buyer's remorse on that expensive couch that overpowers your living room. AI tools allow you to virtually test out different furniture pieces and layouts before you commit. This can save you a significant amount of money and frustration in the long run. Accessibility and affordability. Hiring an interior designer can be a significant investment. AI tools offer a budget-friendly alternative to get professional-looking design ideas without breaking the bank. Space planning optimization. AI can analyze the dimensions and layout of your room and suggest furniture arrangements that maximize functionality and create a comfortable flow. This is especially helpful for small spaces or rooms with awkward layouts. Personalized experience. Many AI platforms allow you to factor in your lifestyle needs. For example, if you work from home, the AI can suggest layouts that incorporate a dedicated workspace. Exploring AI interior design tools. If you're curious to try AI design tools for yourself, here are a few popular options to explore. AI room makeovers. Upload a picture of your space and explore various design themes with furniture suggestions and color palettes. Virtual interior redecoration. See a photorealistic makeover of your room with different furniture layouts and decor arrangements. AI mood board creation. Get inspired by AI-generated mood boards that capture your desired aesthetic. AR furniture placement apps. These apps use augmented reality to virtually place furniture in your real space, allowing you to see how pieces would look before buying them. Remember, you're the designer. While AI design tools offer a wealth of benefits, it's important to remember that they shouldn't replace your own creativity and personality. Use them as a springboard to get ideas flowing, then add your own personal touch to make the space truly yours. Don't be afraid to experiment with different options and tailor the suggestions to your unique taste and needs. So, are you ready to embrace the future of interior design with a little help from AI? With these tools by your side, you can transform your living space into a stylish, functional, and truly personalized haven. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and create a home that reflects your unique personality. Thanks for joining me today.